Good morning to my dear students. Welcome back to Atma Green School, J.S. Swami Narayan. Today I start with Standard 8th book Geography, lesson Industries. That is 5th lesson. I had already finished its explanation with you students. Okay, I had finished all its explanation up till IT hubs in my yesterday's class. So today I will start doing its activity. Fine, on page number 50. Trace the journey of your shirt from a cotton field to your wardrobe. The shirts which we all use are made up of cotton which is grown in fields. Cotton buds are plucked and cotton is separated. आपने देखा है कभी कॉटन का फील्ड ओके अंदर बड भी आता है कि उस बड को निकाल के कॉटन को सेपरेट किया जाता है. कॉटन बड्स आर प्लग्ड एंड कॉटन इज सेपरेटेड. Cotton seeds are also separated and then it is processed for spinning. In early days it was done by hands or looms. वो पता है ऐसे ऐसे करते थे, ऐसे looms बड़ी बड़ी हुआ करती थी, पुरानी फिल्म्स में है hands or looms. Now machines are used which are run by power. Spinning के बाद the first process is spinning. After spinning, the weaving process starts and cotton clothes are ready for making shirts which we use. This process involves power, lots of labor and capitals in big amount. Then on page number 51, give some examples of agro-based industries. Food processing, vegetables oil, cotton textile, dairy products and leather industries. I repeat, food processing, vegetable oil, cotton textile, dairy products and leather industries are some agro-based industries. Page number 52. Find out the inputs, outputs and processes involved in the manufacture of a leather shoe. So inputs are, in inputs, raw materials like leather, labor, cost of land, transport and infrastructure. And process में है activities to convert hide into tough leather, spinning, printing and output is leather shoes बनकर बाहर आते हैं. Okay, page number 60. Collect different types of pieces of cloth from a tailor shop and classify whether that is cotton, silk, synthetic and woolen. Okay, and find out their raw materials used in their manufacturing. जैसे कॉटन क्लॉथ पीस है तो उसका रॉ मटेरियल कॉटन होगा, सिल्क है तो उसका रॉ मटेरियल सिल्क, सिंथेटिक है तो उसका रॉ मटेरियल सिंथेटिक यार्न और वुलन है तो उसका रॉ मटेरियल वूल. Find out the full forms of the organizations list below. BEL, it is Bharat Electronics Limited. BEL, Bharat Electronics Limited. BHEL, BHEL, it is Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. HAL, HAL, it is Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. NAL, National Aerospace Laboratories. National Aerospace Laboratories, DRDO, Defense Research Development Organization, Defense Research Development Organization, ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, ITI, Industrial Training Institute, IISE, Indian Institute of Science, NCBS, National Center for Biological Science, UAS, University of Agriculture Science. Okay, then we go to the next. What is meant by the term industry? Industry means an economic activity that is related to production of goods, extraction of minerals, coals, and provision of services. For example, iron and steel industry, coal mining industry, and tourism industry. Which are the main factors which influence the location of an industry? The first, availability of raw materials. Second, transport and communication. Third, land. Fourth, power. Fifth, capital. Sixth, labor. And seventh, market. Which industry is often referred to as the backbone of the modern industry and why? Iron and steel industry is often referred to as the backbone of the modern industry. Why? ये एक huge answer है that you will get from your text और उसके examples हैं जहाँ ये use होता है. Ships, trains, vehicles are made largely of steel. और हमारी जो मिनरल्स है डे टू डे लाइफ, दैट इज सेफ्टी पिन, नीडल, ओके, ये सब भी ओके. और वन मोर थिंग, दैट इज विदाउट द यूज ऑफ आयरन नो इंडस्ट्री कैन रन. इट्स एन इम्पॉर्टेंट, ओके, दैट इज विदाउट द यूज ऑफ आयरन नो इंडस्ट्री कैन रन. नेक्स्ट, why cotton industry rapidly expanded in Mumbai? Because of its warm, moist climate, facility of port for importing of machinery, and above all the easy availability of skilled labor. What are the similarities between the information technology industry in Bangalore, India and California? Bangalore is located in Deccan Plateau, while Silicon Valley in California is located next to the Rocky Mountains. Both have clean environment. Both have pleasant climate throughout the year. Both are progress in the field of educational, scientific and technological centers. Both are close to the major roads and airports. Both are good access to markets. Both have skilled workforce. And both are low or have affordable cost of living. Next we go to tick the correct answer. Silicon Valley is located in California. Which one of the following industries is known as sunrise industry? It is information technology industry. Which one of the following is a natural fiber? It is jute. Distinguish between the agro-based and the mineral-based industries. First, ऑल, अभी मैं जो भी आंसर बोलूँगी दीज आर ऑल ऑफ एग्रो बेस्ड. एग्रो बेस्ड इंडस्ट्रीज यूज प्लांट एंड एनिमल based products as raw materials. Agro-based industries provide employment in rural areas. Agro-based industries are mostly in private or cooperative sectors. Examples of agro-based industries are jute, cotton textile, dairy products, leather industries. We go to next, mineral based industries. Mineral based industries are those that use mineral ores as their raw materials. They provide employment to both rural and urban areas. These industries are mostly in public sector because of their large investment requirement. Examples of such industries are iron and steel, capital good industries. Then we go to public sector and joint sector. Public sector, the industries which are owned and operated by state government or central government are called public sector industries. They involve huge capital investment. These industries are managed and run by workforce appointed by government. Public sector industries के example है SAIL, that is Steel Authority of India Limited, and HAL, that is Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Joint sector, the industries which are owned and operated by government or individual or a group of individuals is called the joint sector industries. Capital investments is generally less than the public sector industries. Both government servants and private employees run these industries. For example, मारुति उद्योग लिमिटेड, ये वो घर बैठे बैठे कुछ काम होता है ना, पापड़ बनाना है, दैट इज. Two examples of the following in the space provided. Raw materials, दो raw materials बोलो कोई भी. Coal and iron ore. Two raw materials, coal and iron ore. End products, car and notebooks. कार एंड नोटबुक्स बनके मतलब तैयार होके आता है. एंड आउटपुट. टर्शरी एक्टिविटीज, बैंकिंग, ट्रांसपोर्ट. एग्रो बेस्ड इंडस्ट्रीज, कॉटन टेक्सटाइल, शुगर मिल्स. कॉटेज इंडस्ट्रीज, कैंडल, मैट्स. कोऑपरेटिव्स, अमूल बटर, खादी इंडस्ट्री. Okay, now see students, I will ask you few multiple choice questions from within your text. TISCO was started in the year dash at Sakshi. It is 1907. Dash is an important steel city of the United States in America. It is Pittsburgh. The first successful modern textile mill was established in Mumbai. Maruti Udyog industry comes under joint sector. The textile industry at Osaka imports raw cotton from Egypt, India, China and USA. These industries are owned and operated by the producers or suppliers or both. It is cooperative sector. Industrial disaster occurred in Bhopal on 3rd December 1984. The raw material of textile industry are fibers. Very short type questions. What do you understand by the word manufacturing? Manufacturing is an activity which changes raw materials into products. What are the two stages of making notebook from pulp? Making paper from pulp and then notebook from paper. पहले पल्प में से पेपर निकालते, फिर उस पेपर में से नोटबुक्स बनती है. What does industrial system consist of? Inputs, process, output. Mention the major industrial regions of the world. Eastern North America, Western and Central Europe, Eastern Europe and Eastern Asia. Name 4 common processes involved in a textile industry. Ginning, spinning, weaving, dyeing are the processes involved in textile industry. Discuss the distribution of cotton textile industry. Cotton textile industry is mainly situated in Gujarat, Ahmedabad and Maharashtra, Mumbai. Apart from Maharashtra and Gujarat, write the other regions of cotton textile centers of India. Kanpur, Kolkata, Nagpur, Sholapur, Delhi, Coimbatore. Name 2 human-made fibers, nylon and polyester. Name the natural fibers, wool, silk, cotton and jute. Name the important producers of cotton textiles, China, Japan and USA. Name the information technology hubs in metropolitan cities of India, Bangalore, Mumbai, New Delhi, Hyderabad and Chennai. Name the important cities of information technology in India, Gurgaon, Pune, Thiruvananthapuram, Kochi, that is Ernakulam and Chandigarh. Which technique of cotton textile production came into use after the 18th century? Power looms technique of cotton textile production. It came into use after the 18th century. Which public sector steel plant of India is located near a port? It is Visakhapatnam Steel Plant. Name 3 common methods of classifying industries. Raw materials used, size and ownership. जो मैंने आपको सबसे पहले बताया था. That is raw materials में agro based industries, mineral based industries, marine based industries and forest based industries. Size 2 types, small scale industries and large scale industries. Ownership, public private sector, public sector, joint sector and cooperative sector. Where and when was the first textile mill established in the country? It was established at Fort Gloucester near Kolkata in 1818. Fort Gloucester near Kolkata. Okay students, so there are many long question answers also. Then we go to few miscellaneous questions. The river Yodo provides sufficient water to the dash textile industry. It is Osaka. The river Yodo provides sufficient water to dash textile industries, Osaka. Industries can be classified on the basis of raw materials, size, and ownership. Basket weaving, handcrafts, and pottery are the examples of small scale industries. The process of smelting is done in a blast furnace. True or false? Production of automobiles and heavy machinery are small scale industries. False. An industrial system consists of inputs, processes, and outputs. True. Smelting is the process in which metals are extracted from their ores by heating beyond the melting point. It is true. Nylon and polyester are natural fibers. False. Match the column. Silicon Plateau, Deccan Plateau. Manchester of India, Ahmedabad. Manchester of Japan, Osaka. Industrial disaster 3rd December 1984, Bhopal gas tragedy. First textile mill in India, Fort Gloucester at Calcutta in 1818. Okay students, so I think I had discussed quite a lot of question answers and objectives type question answers to you all. Please practice the map. Okay, आप map practice करो. Practice map and do read the lessons. Okay, बहुत easy lesson है, interesting lesson था. Do read the lesson and practice its map also. Okay, because map में काफ़ी कुछ आपको पूछा जा सकता है. That is location of iron and steel industry, location of textile industry, technology, information technology industry. सबसे पहले स्टील और आयरन कौन से स्टेट में इंसेप्ट हुआ था. देन कॉटन टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्रीज कौन से स्टेट में थी. फिर विच पब्लिक सेक्टर स्टील प्लांट ऑफ इंडिया इज लोकेटेड नियर अ पोर्ट, विशाखापट्टनम. ऐसे द फर्स्ट टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री मिल इन द कंट्री. So all these questions, that is MCQ questions, are likely questions asked in your exams. यू ना आप लेसन रीड करो और हो सकता है जितना हो सके ना लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन आंसर्स पढ़ो, बिकॉज उसी के अंदर से यू कैन गेट द MCQs एंड वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर्स. See, few very short answers are: name the major industrial regions of the world. Name the industrial regions of India. Give 3 examples of uses of steel. Explain small scale industries. Define manufacturing. Explain the characteristics of steel. Discuss the economic activity of industries. What is the significance of industries? Rourkela steel plant situated in which state? TISCO is located at? Which industry uses products from the sea and oceans as a raw material? Marine based industries होगी वो. Okay, so I had discussed a quite lot of question answers to you. Okay, so please do read the lessons and complete the subject enrichment activity given to you on time. Okay, and you give your names also. अच्छा, आप अपना name और standard भी लिखना when you send me to my email ID. Okay. So with this I wrap up my class here. Thank you to all. Thank you to all. Take care.